This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Volkswagen Beetle headlight. First, gather your tools: a Phillips head screwdriver, a new H7 headlight bulb, and some protective gloves. Make sure your car's engine is completely off and cool to the touch. You'll find the headlight assembly accessible through the front fender liner, which we'll need to partially remove. Now, let's get to the old bulb. You'll need to remove about 3 to 5 screws from the fender liner to pull it back and create enough space. Once you have access, gently disconnect the electrical connector from the back of the bulb. Then, unclip the metal retaining spring that holds the old headlight bulb securely in its housing. With the old bulb out, it's time for the new one. Carefully insert the new H7 bulb into the housing, making sure it's seated correctly and not angled. Avoid touching the glass part of the bulb with your bare hands. Next, reattach the metal retaining spring to hold the new bulb firmly in place. Finally, reconnect the electrical connector to the back of the bulb until it clicks. Before buttoning everything up, turn on your headlights to confirm the new bulb is working correctly. Once you've verified it illuminates, carefully push the fender liner back into place and reinstall all the screws you removed earlier. This ensures everything is secure. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other helpful deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.